નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. હેલો સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, વેલકમ બેક ટુ પાર્ટ 6 of chapter 6, Be My Multiple, I'll Be Your Vector of standard 5th mathematics. In the last part, we discussed about the multiples of 3 and 5, and I hope you must have completed the tables up to 20. Then and then it is possible to go for this or to understand this chapter. Okay. In the last part we discussed about the multiples of 3 and 5. And the multiples, those were common to both, we write down or we note down into this part. Why? Because the multiples common to both, see, if the multiple of 3, then it will be over here in this circle. If the multiple is 5, then it will be over here in this circle. So the common multiples to both are in this area. Okay. Now look into your textbook on the page number 91. Open your page number 91. See, think, if you write the multiples common to 3 and 5 in the purple part, then will they still be in both red and blue circle? Yeah. Both are red and blue circle in both. Which is the smallest among these common multiples? Now, see how many common multiples are there? 15, 30 and 45. 3 common multiples are there. And in which is the smallest? Which is the smallest multiple that to be common to both? So, we can say 15 is the common multiple. 15 is the smallest multiple among these common multiples, isn't it? Now repeat the game using the numbers 2 and 7. Now we will use the number 2 and 7 and we will repeat the game. Okay, for that let me draw this circle first of all for 2 and 7, and then after we will write the multiples of 2 and 7. Okay. So first of all, for 2, I am drawing this circle. This is for 2. Why? Because for 2, it will require too much. And for this is for 7. Okay. So this is for 7. And this is for 2. Now let's write the common multiples or multiples of 2 and 7. Last time also we discussed that all the even numbers can be divided by 2. All even numbers, which are even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, like that, all the even numbers are or can be divided by 2. So all the even numbers are multiples of 2. Okay. And 7, multiple of 7. Then you must be or you are aware of the table of 7. So 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21. All these are multiple of 7. Now the multiples are common to both. Some multiples common to 2 and common to 7. We will write them over here. Okay. So we will do this very quickly by this time. See, first of all, 1, no, 2 over here, isn't it? Then 3, no, 4 over here. Then 5, no, 6 over here. 7 is a multiple of 7. 7 1 is 7. That is why I should write it over here. 8 here. 9, no, 10 here. 11, no, 12 here. 13, no, 14. Now 14 is the common multiple to both. 2 7s are 14. So it is a multiple of 2 as well as it is a multiple of 7. That is why I should write in between over here. 14 should be in between. So that I can say it is a multiple of 7. Yeah, it is a multiple of 7. Is it a multiple of 2? Yeah, it is a multiple of 2. Then 15, no. 16, 17, no. 18, 19, no. 20, yes. 21, 21 is a multiple of 7 or not? 7 3 are 21. So let me write over here 21. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, then 27, 28. 28 is a multiple of 2. Yes. Is it a multiple of 7? 7 4s are 28. So here I should write, it is a multiple common to both 2 and 7. That is why I should write it over here. Okay. Then after 29, no. 30, 31, no. 32, 33, 34, 35. 35 is a multiple of 7 or not? 7 5s are 35. So 35 is a multiple of 7. Okay. Then after 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Then 41, 42. Is 42 a multiple of 2? Yes. Is it a multiple of 7 also? 7 6 are 42. So it is a common to both. 42 is common to both. 2 and 2, 7. That is why I should write it over here. Now 43, 44, 45, 46. Sorry, 46, 47, 48, and 49. 49 is a multiple of 7. 7 7s are 49. So from this we can say, see, these are the multiples. These are the multiples of 2. We can say all these are the multiples of 2. And all the multiples, all these are the multiples of 7. But some of the multiples are common to both. To 2. See, 14 is a multiple of 2. Yes, 14 is a multiple of 7. That is why I write it down in the red circle. Yeah, it is in the red circle. I write down in the blue circle. Yeah, it is in the blue circle. And that is why 14, 28 and 42 are common to both. I hope you must have understood. So, write the common multiples 2 of 2 and 7. Then, see, we should write 40, 28 and 42 are the common multiples of 2 and 7. This way, we can go for this. Now, come on the page number 92. On the page number 92 over here. Now repeat the game by putting the multiples of 4, 6 and 5 in the circles. So here there are 3 circles are there. 4, 6 and 5. These are the circles for the multiples of. See, in this circle we will write the multiples of 4. In this circle, we will write the multiples of 6, and in this circle, we will write the multiples of 5. But if some multiples are common to 4 and 5, remember or understand, 4 and 5, the multiples common to 4 and 5, we will write them in this portion. Okay? And if the multiples common to 6 and 5, common to 6 and 5, then we should write those multiples into part. Okay, and then if the multiples common to 4 and 6, we should write them in this part. Okay, why? Because this part only 4, 4 to 6. But if the multiples common to 4, 5 and 6, then we should write over here. Why? Because it is in the 4, it is in the 5th, and it is in the circle of 6. So like that we will write. Now do it very quickly. Okay. So let's go for that. 1 no, 2 no, 3 no, 4 over here. Then 5 somewhere over here. 6 somewhere over here. 7 no. 8 yes. 9 no. 10 yes. 11 no. 12. Now 12 is a common to both. 4 3 are 12, 6 2 are 12, isn't it? So I should write 12 over here. 13 no. 14, 15. Sorry, these are the multiples of 4. That is why 14, 15, then 15 is a multiple of 5, then 16 is a multiple of 4, isn't it? 4 4 is 16. 17 is not a multiple, but 18. 6 3 is 18. So here I should write 18, 19 no, 20. Now 20 is a multiple of 4 and 5. 4 5 are 20. So it is common to both. Then I should write them over here. I should write 20 over here. Then 21 no, 22 no, 23 no, but 24. 6 4s are 24. That is why it is a common to both 6 and 4. That is why I should write it over here. Then 25 is a multiple of 5. 26 no, 27 no, 28. 7 4s are 28. So here it should be 28. 29 no, 30. 30 is a multiple of which numbers? Whether it is a multiple of 6, is it a multiple of 5? 5 6 is 30, isn't it? So it is common to both. That is why I should write it over here, isn't it? Then let's go further. 31 no, 32. 8 4s are 32. That is why over here. 33, 34, 35. 7 5s are 35. 36. 9 4s are 36. Yeah. Then is it a 36 is a multiple of 6? 6 6 are 36. That is why 36 is common to both 4 and 6. So I should write it over here, isn't it? Then 37 no, 38 no, 39 no, but 40. 8 5s are 40. Yes. 4 10s are 40. So it is common to both 4 and 5. That is why I should write that it over here. I should write 40 over here. Then 41, 42. 42 is a multiple of 6. Yeah, 7 6 are 42. So I should write it over here. Then 43, 44. 44 is a multiple of 11 4s are 44. So it is a multiple of 4. Then after 45. 45 is a multiple of 5. It will be over here. 46 no, 47 no, 48. 48 is a multiple of 4. Yes. Is it a multiple of 6? Yes. Okay, 6 exact, isn't it? So I should write 48 over here. Then after 49, 50. 50 is a multiple of then 51, no, 52, 13 4 is 52, then 53, 54, 54 is a multiple of 6, 9 6 are 54, isn't it? Then after 55 is a multiple of 5, 56 is a multiple of, can you say that? 56 is a multiple of 4, isn't it? Then 57, no. 58, no. 59, no. 60. Now 60 is a multiple of 4. 15 4 is 60. Yeah, it is a multiple of 4. 60 is a multiple of 5. 12 5 is 60. So it is a multiple of 5 also. 60 is a multiple of 6. Yeah, 6 tens are. So actually 60 is a multiple of 4, 5 and 6. All the three. It is common to all the three. That is why I should write it over here. Isn't it? I should write, see, 60 is the circle in the circle of 4. Yes. It is in the circle of 5. Yes. It is in the circle of 6. Yes. So it is common to all the threes. That is why. Now let's answer these questions. See. First one, what common multiples of 5 and 6 did you write in the green part? See, the common multiple of 5 and 6. So these are the common multiple of 5 and 6. So common multiple of 5 and 6 is only 30. Common multiple of 5 and 6 only 30. So we can write just 30 is the answer. Then after, what common multiples of 4 and 6 are written in the orange part? Now here you can see, here there is an orange part, isn't it? So our orange part is over here. So these are the common multiples of 4 and 6. And which are those? 12, 24, 36 and 48. 4 common multiples of 4 and 6 are there. In which color part did you write the common multiples of 4, 6 and 5? See here. Where is 4, 6 and 5 common multiple? It is 60. So here you can see it is a grey part, isn't it? So in grey part, I write the common multiples of 4, 6 and 5. What is the smallest common multiples of 4, 6 and 5? By this time, the 60 is the smallest common multiple of 4, 6 and 5. With this, we are finishing on this part, and you also go for some more multiples, say 3, 2 and 4. Go for the multiples of 2, 3 and 4 and go for this type of circle and go for this activity. Okay. We'll meet you in the next part. Till then, practice this. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.